Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well I have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can check your Discover credit score in app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that matter, simply go ahead first, open up your Discover app on your phone, and now simply sign in. Right afterwards, you're going to encounter this kind of home page. You can see your account information on top, and if you go down to the bottom, you will find this option of additional products, including a FICO Credit Scorecard option. Go ahead, tap on it. Upon doing that, you will find this kind of interface where you can see you have card information on top, and you can see total accounts, length of credit, inquiries, devolution utilization, missed payments, etc. But if you simply want to check out your score, then you can tap on this option of show score history and key factors. Once you tap on it, it will simply show you the details regarding your credit score in Discover of your card, and accordingly you can check it whatever you want. You can also check your accounts, length of credit here in the bottom as well by tapping on that option right over there, and that is it. So this is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.